Hello learners, welcome to 130 Important Prepositions, SET-5. This video contains 10 questions, their answers with reason and Hindi meanings also. So let's start the 130 Important Prepositions for Class 7 and 8, SET-5, question number 41 to 50. The child was frightened fits. Into. The doctor put me antibiotics. In. I ran the park. Into through. The breeze blows the trees. Through in. He worked a good cause. For of. We were delighted the idea of going to Goa. On at. He spoke confidence. In with. I rushed the room. In into. I usually travel car bus train. On by. He suffers a disease. From of. (41) The child was frightened into fits. 42. The doctor put me on antibiotics. 43. I ran through the park. 44. The breeze blows through the trees. 45. He worked for a good cause. 46. We were delighted at the idea of going to Goa. 47. He spoke with confidence. 48. I rushed into the room. 49. I usually travel by car bus train. 50. He suffers from a disease.
Each preposition. 41. The child was frightened into fits. Into indicates a change of state or condition. Reason. किसी स्थिति या अवस्था में परिवर्तन को दर्शाता है. बच्चा भय से थके में आ गया. The doctor put me on antibiotics. On indicates the medication being prescribed or taken. दवा लेने या लिखने को दर्शाता है. Doctor ने मुझे antibiotics पर रखा. 43. I ran through the park. Through indicates moving in one side and out of the other side of something. Reason. किसी चीज के एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ जाने को दर्शाता है. मैं park के बीच से दौड़ा. The breeze blows through the trees. Indicates movement from one side of something to the other. Reason. किसी चीज की एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ जाने को दर्शाता है. हवा पेड़ों के बीच से बह रही है. 45. He worked for a good cause. 4 indicates the purpose or reason. Reason. उद्देश्य या कारण को दर्शाता है. उसने एक अच्छे कारण के लिए काम किया. 46. We were delighted at the idea of going to Goa. At indicates the cause of an emotion. भावना के कारण को दर्शाता है. गोवा जाने के विचार से हम बहुत खुश थे. He spoke with confidence. With indicates manner or accompaniment. Reason. या साथ होने को दर्शाता है. उसने आत्मविश्वास के साथ बात की. I rushed into the room. Indicates movement from outside to a point inside. बाहर से अंदर की ओर जाने की क्रिया को दर्शाता है. मैं कमरे में तेजी से गया. 49. I usually travel by car, bus, train. By indicates the means of transportation. परिवहन के साधन को दर्शाता है. मैं आमतौर पर कार, बस, ट्रेन से यात्रा करता हूं. He suffers from a disease. From indicates the source or cause of suffering. पीड़ा का स्रोत या कारण को दर्शाता है. वह एक बीमारी से पीड़ित है.